sometimes there's a great difference between the payments you're making to different agencies. Why are some cheap and some expensive?
Well, I think there's a place in the market for everybody. There are some people that will only list with an agent that goes in at the lowest possible price. We pitch to people that are willing to pay for a service because, yeah, you'll pay a bit more for that service, but because we've got more time, because we can afford to spend more time, we will, we hope, be able to negotiate a much higher price rather than take the first price we're offered, so that whilst you might pay a bit more up front, you end up miles better off with what you end up going into your own pocket.
Absolutely. And there's a good quote that I'm not rich enough to buy the cheapest products.
Well, I'll give you another quote. If you think a professional is expensive, hire an amateur.